This is the solar panel SP350 for the GardePro E6 trail camera. So this way your trail camera can run remotely without any power supply other than this rigid solar panel. So as you can see, it's a kind of a darker color. The panel itself is a matte finish. It's got a place on the back here to plug in USB and adjust some settings. And then it's got a cord over here that can plug into your game camera. There's a couple of cables here to adapt to different situations. And it has a mounting plate with a ball and socket type of adjustment that can be tightened down into any direction, so that once you have the mounting plate set, you can adjust the solar panel to whatever direction you might need it to be. It all fits in this nice box for storage and for shipping. And yeah, nice solar panel to use with the GardePro E6 trail cameras. Hope this helps.